tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please.
Hey Forever Dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today I have created for you, as you can tell by the title, a transformation video from to damn girl, can I get your number type of issue. Okay, anyways, you guys, if you want to go ahead and check out the video, all you gotta do is like, subscribe, and share the video. You guys comment what you guys want to see next, and I'm gonna get it out there to you guys. Let me know how my content is doing, you guys. Let me know if you like the new content or you want me to go back to the old content. Let me know, you guys. I love you so much, and let's go ahead and get on into the video. Hey Forever Dolls, welcome back. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right on into the eyes. I'm going in with the Saharan by Juvia's Place palette. It was so rude of me not to show you guys the colors that I'm going to be using, but I promise I will have them all down below for you guys. Do not fight me about it. I'm sorry. So pretty much, you guys, I'm just blending my transition color into my eyes, holding my eyes up, jamming my gospel, as you already know, and just getting my eyes prepped and ready for the eyeshadow that we're going to be going in with today. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm doing is going in with this peach shade out of the palette, you guys, and I'm going to be using that to blend right over and under my transition color. So now, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Creamy Beige, and I'm going to use this to cut my crease, and I'm going to be doing the look up method to imply where I need to go in and cut my crease, you guys, because I can't, for the life of me, cut my crease high like I want it to. And you guys, I don't know why my camera lighting was so harsh right there. I apologize. It's gonna be like that while I'm applying this glitter as well. I am so sorry. Bear with me, you guys. I am working on saving money so I can get better lighting for you guys. Anyways, I'm going in with two NYX glitters. I'm going in with 07 and 06. And I'm going to be mixing these glitters together to achieve the look that I'm going for. So the next thing that I'm going to do is go in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the matte poreless foundation in the color 330. I am Caramel Toffee, and I'm going to be using this to blend out with my Real Techniques foundation brush. So the next thing I'm going to do is go in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And I'm going to use this to conceal underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, above my lip, and then, of course, my chin. I'm going to take my Instapop Face Brush by Real Techniques, and I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus Setting Spray. And I'm going to spray that on my brush and on my face to help blend out the concealer. The next thing that I'm going to do is go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to be using the Sun Dip out of this palette to highlight with. And I'm going to spray my MAC Fix Plus Coconut Water Setting Spray on the brush as well to make them highlight pop more.
you guys, this is pretty much the finished look. If you guys like this tutorial, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know how I did in the comment section down below. Tell me a requested video that you want to see me do, and I will try to get it out there to you guys in a timely manner. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for supporting me the way that you do, and I will see you guys in another mother freaking video. Love you guys. Bye.